Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel English with Adeel. So I am committed to make your pronunciation, make your English quite superb. So if you want to enhance your communication skill and if you want to be fluent like me, so what you're gonna have to do is you have to develop all this vocabulary to practice on it, just to make you clear about each and everything. So vocabulary building is absolutely important. So you just have a great platform to differentiate between the words, like synonym techniques develop, as far as the IELTS students is concerned, most of the time students do PTE, IELTS, so that's reading and writing modules, and as well as the speaking. So they get themselves confused when they just in about the IELTS, and they are facing a lot of hurdles while translating things out. So why do they have the difficult things? Because they can't translate it. Even why they don't have the vocabulary, right? So I think this channel would be a wonderful platform, would be a wonderful seat of learning for all of you guys, especially for those who really are keen to enhance their vocabulary and communication skill, right? So now today I came up with an interesting video, and this session particularly will help you about to differentiate between hire, late, and rent, right? So all three have the same meaning, but their usage is quite different than one another. So let's go ahead. So first one is hire. Hire means to pay for the use of something, right? Hire means to pay for the use of something. In British, in British English, it usually refers to short-term arrangements, right? Short-term arrangements. Now, if you talk about let also means to rent out, often referring to room or accommodation in general. Now, talk about rent. What's the rent is? The rent also means to pay for the use of something in British English, usually for a long-term period, right? So hire means to pay for the use of something in British English. It usually refers to short-term arrangements, right? And then let also means to rent out, referring to rooms or accommodation in general, right? And as far as the rent is concerned, so rent also means to pay for the use of something in British English, usually for a long-term period. Now there you go with the examples, so it will definitely make you clear about. She decided to hire a bike for the weekend. She decided to hire a bike for the weekend. The car is hard. The car hire is expensive in many countries. And when we talk about let as well, so they have a room to let. They have a room to let. And they rented a beautiful house near the town center. Near the town center. They rented a beautiful house near the town center. The house is rented out at £900 a month, right? £900 a month. So this is what we have, the difference between hire, let, and rent. Once again, I'm repeating for you guys. Hire means to pay for the use of something. In British English, it usually refers to short-term arrangement. Let also means to rent out, often referring to room or accommodation in general. Rent also means to pay for the use of something in British English, usually for a long-term period. So this is what all we have in today's session. So I think it really would be interesting sessions for you guys, and you enjoyed every single moment of it. So just if you just like that video, just inbox me in the comment section so I can get to know that, so I may know that you are taking interest in my videos. So also leave your comments, and it's really would be a beneficial for me so that I can just come up with a harmful videos. So I'll try my best to make you clear about each and everything. So till then, gentlemen, take care of yourself. Bye.